Hello darlings, welcome back to yet another amazing video to help you elevate your financial freedom. Are you looking for a fun and stylish way to save up to 10,000k? If you are, then meet my amazing wooden 10k piggy bank, the perfect tool to help you stay motivated and hit your financial goal. Here is how it works. It's very simple. You deposit cash through the secure slot on top, just like a traditional piggy bank. The wooden design means it's sturdy and keeps your savings safe. There's no easy way to take money out, making it a great way to curb those impulse spending habits until you reach your goal. Ready to start saving smarter while adding a touch of charm to your space? Let's dive into more details about this incredible piggy bank. Okay darlings, let's get to business. As you can see guys, I really do not have the box itself. I went ahead and printed my wooden box. The reason being, I tried to order 3 times and the money kept on coming back to my account, of which I believe it's either they didn't have this in stock or there was a default on a manufacturer's account. But I was like, you know what? This is not going to deter me from achieving my goal. Hence, I went ahead and printed this paperwork. And the reason why I'm encouraging you to print this paperwork, because I have people from different parts of the world. So at times, this can be cheap, but the shipping fee can be tremendously high. And I know it's not everybody who can afford that. So this is the easiest and cheapest way to do it. And I will recommend everybody to try this method. For me, I'm a visual person. That's why I had to print mine out. And this particular paper is in my office. Each and every morning I wake up, I just look at it and I'm like, I have a goal to attain. It's very easy and simple to use. This is what I want you to do. Once you print this out, go ahead and open yourself a high yield savings account. So each and every time you can decide you're going to be depositing this money, maybe weekly, daily, monthly. It's up to you. But I want you to also have a checking account where you can wire the money instantly. Let's say if I have money today, I don't have to wait for a week, a month, a day for me to do that, because it's easy for me to use that money. So I want you to link your high yield savings account to your checking account so that once the money gets in there, you are able to transfer it directly and immediately to your high yield savings account. And the beauty about high yield savings account, the more you put money in it, the more dividend you get on your money. So the more money you have in your account, the higher the dividend you get. Hence, don't get the visual thing. Go print it out. It's gonna be like a puzzle. I want us to play a puzzle, okay? You can convert it into your currency. For me, I live in the US, so I'm using US dollars. So the minimum amount they have here is $5 US. The maximum amount they have on this card is $500 US. It doesn't have a method on how you have to save this money. You can decide if you want to save it. Let's say if you want to start knocking out the higher amount, which is 500, then 200, then we have 150. No, they don't have 150. They have 500, they have 200, then they have 100, then 50, 20, 10, then 5. So you can decide to knock out in that manner, or you can decide to start with $5, $10, $50, $20, you know, whatever works for you. So this does not limit you on putting money in your savings account. I did 10,000 because I feel like that is a realistic amount, but you really don't have to do 10,000. With this particular box, they have 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, and I think the maximum is 20,000 or 50,000. So you can print whichever paper that will fit for you. But at times I normally feel like setting a high standard is good because it gives you pressure to want to do more. And guys, you really don't have to save this money by the end of the year. This is just a motivation to show you the capability that you have when it comes to saving. It's about having discipline. This will discipline you, because whenever you put this, wherever you want to put it, whether it's in your kitchen, whether it's in your bedroom, in your living room, where you can see it each and every time, it will show you that you have a goal that you need to attain and you've not attained it, and it's going to push you to want to save more, do more, or put more in your savings account. Guys, I'm not a financial analyst. I'm just giving these tips in regards to my personal strategies that I've tried and that have really worked for me this year. I've really done a lot. I've really marked out a lot, and I'm super grateful, guys. Super grateful that I got to come across this thing. Just try it out and let me know in the comment section below. Either in a month's time, immediately you've watched this video and you're going to implement it, in a week's time, in 3 months' time, and let me know, are you enjoying this particular kind of saving? How has it worked for you? If you also have other methods on how you can help us save, please, I'm welcoming any other suggestions. I'm willing to learn from you. Guys, the only way you can support me is through watching my videos, sharing me out, subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If there's a topic you really want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, I will love and leave you. Remember, in this beautiful world of possibilities where you can be everything, remember to be kind. Thank you so much and have a lovely one. See you in my next video.